Today we want to introduce you to our tester piece. There's a separate section that comes with each of our sets of hair extensions that has a tester piece included in it. Once you receive your hair extensions, you want to remove this tester piece only from the packaging. And what you want to do is you want to match this up against your hair. You want to see how the color compares to the top, to the middle, to the bottom. But the most important section that it matches with is the bottom of your hair. Now you want to clip this into the side of your head above your ear and take a look again at how it compares to your hair. And also while you're doing this, check the length. Make sure that the length is not too long, not too short. Again, make sure that it matches perfectly with the ends of your hair. That's the most important part that you want it to match with. Once you know that this is the perfect shade and length for you, you can open the package. Now on the back there is a sealed portion with a security seal. Remove that security seal and open the package. Once you do this, you can no longer return or exchange these extensions. When you remove the packaging, you will see that the hair is wrapped neatly in a hairnet. To avoid tangles and frizz, remove the hairnet gently and then remove the hair from the backing of the packaging, and your hair extensions are ready to be styled, clipped in, and worn.